Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Mana. For the past several days, the price of Mana is getting rejected by this downtrend and resistance. By the way, we found this resistance in the first week of December 2024. We got rejection here, and almost had another rejection here as well. And now, while moving to the downside, we have recently broken down another very significant and long-term support of 37 cents, and the price line is bounced very well from the next support of 27 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 37 cents has been previously working as a resistance here, and support here. And here for a few weeks, it has been working as support as well. And if you take a look at the next support of 27 cents, then you can see that recently it was working as support here. And before that, it was working as a support here. And for a few weeks, it had been working as a very nice support here from the month of August 2023 up till the month of October 2023 as well. Therefore, again, it worked as a very, very nice support. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this recent breakout from this down channel. And we will also take a look at this very, very huge breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup of PYR, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can buy the complete trade setup, like the buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And you can also watch when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade signal I shared on 25th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Mana. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, the price line of Mana is getting rejected by this down trend line resistance. While moving to the downside, we broke down this very significant support of 37 cents and bounced very well from the next very long-term support of 27 cents. By the way, from 27 cents to 21.7 cents can be a complete, very strong and long-term support zone. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several months, it is breaking at a very, very nice support. First, we broke out here in the month of Feb 2021. Then we retested this level as support zone here. Then it was also working as a recent single point before the breakout from this bigger falling wedge pattern as well. And here it was working as support zone, here as a support zone. And recently, pricing is once again bounced very well from the support zone. And now there is a probability that we may see another attempt to break out the next resistance of 37 cents. A very long-term resistance. If you take a look at the previous history of 37 cents, and you can see that previously it was working as a resistance here, support here, and support here, and support here back in the month of June 2021 as well. And after that, the pricing can also try to break out this downtrend and resistance as well. In fact, it can try to break out both resistance levels together, because here we will have a crisscross of these two resistance levels at the same level. And now if we take a look at the targets, then you can see that we have recently broken out this down channel. And the target for the breakout from this channel that I have been telling you in my recent videos was here at the top of the channel at 85 cents. And you can see that the price line has already hit that target, but could not break out this long-term resistance of 85 cents, because this level of 85 cents was already working as a very strong resistance. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 85 cents, this resistance has been previously working as a resistance here, support here, and almost as a resistance here. And once again, it worked as a very, very strong resistance after the breakout from this channel. Now, if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that target can be here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $6.50 to $7. So this also update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.